Hi, this is Richard with Excentr, and I would like to tell you something about the Excentr 4025. The Excentr 4025 is the alternative to your traditional rotary single disc machine, but it brings all the benefits of the Excentr method. So it has a square, rectangular shaped pad so you can go alongside the skirting boards and into corners. Because of the short and high RPM, short movements that it makes, you can deep clean into the grout lines and into uneven structured floors. Because the Excentr 4025 has extra weight, so it's a 45 kilogram machine, you can use it for stripping and grinding and polishing floors because it has that extra pressure. It's a very easy to use machine. It makes a high RPM, but especially because of the movement that it makes it very easy to handle. So no training, no machine training required. Everybody can use this machine for floor care. It's a stainless steel machine, which makes it very durable. And because of all the combination of the movement that it makes, the added pressure and the high RPM, you don't need any chemicals. In 95% of the cases, we reduce the use of chemicals completely. If you use a single disc machine on a regular basis, give the Excentr 4025 a try. It's the next generation in floor care machines. If you would like to receive more information about the Excentr method, visit our website at www.excentr.com or give us a call.